Hi guys, we do have BLU VIVO XL2 phone and we need to replace the screen, and we're gonna tear down almost all parts. So that's our device. We took out SIM tray already right here, and these are the most tools that we need, like screwdriver, plastic opener, tweezer, and so it's kind of easier to pump out with your nails this corners, and take back part first out, and don't forget turn off your device first. It's just like that. It can pump out really easy, but if you cannot, you can just use something like this, or you can use some that type plastic opener. Is not going to damage your device. So you can just go like that, or you can just use this like that. I said it's going to be like that. Just like that. This is the back cover of the phone. So then there's the screws. We need to screw them out, and then we need to cut the battery connection first. So in this, like, I want you to know, there's really defect of the manufacturer in the phones, like Apple, Samsung, any of them, and that's BLU also. Like screws, they were almost all out. Like you can see them right here, like how they are out right here. Like they are almost all out. So that's because of the manufacturer. So don't think that all these companies, they are doing like perfect job. So I believe they try to do their job perfect, but they're not perfect. They're not excellent. So we're gonna take this whole screw out, and then we're gonna remove this metal plate on the battery out, and then we're gonna cut the energy which is going to motherboard of the device, and it's going to be not dangerous to burn our phone. We're not going to burn our phone motherboard at least. So this is the battery connection right here. You're gonna move it up. That's it, just like that. And we're gonna remove our battery to go to screen, which is right here. This is the screen connector right here. That's our screen. It comes like that. So here's the back camera. This is the motherboard. Here is the charger port, and the speaker and vibration is right here. So if you need one of them, you need to take this screw out and take out this part if you need to replace any part of this. So let's take out the battery first. So watch out when you try to take out the battery. Make sure you are holding it good enough. So that's how I take out usually. I know it doesn't look safe, but this is my job. I do fix the phone all day here in my store. So I like risk. Everyone doesn't take risk, but only thing you need to make sure is the battery connection is out. You don't get the trouble with that. So there is a glue between frame and battery. that's how I take it off. Let's make it straight. There's no damage. Damage usually make it smell really bad. It's already, and there's radiation also. So that's how we cut it, connect. That's how we take it off. So then this is the screen connection right here. That's what we're gonna move and put the another one, the new one. So now we're gonna go to screen and take off all screen for installation a new one. So what we can do now, we can just make sure this or new screen is going to work. We need to test it out first, make sure screen works fine. So that's our new screen. Let's connect it. Make sure you connect it well. And now let's connect the battery. And let's power it on. It's kind of hard to press these buttons when it's not on, and I was trying to hold the screen battery or this piece. So it seems like it works fine, but we're gonna make sure with the touch screen and everything works. So we'll just wait till it turns on. Let's touch it. It seems like it works fine. So now we're gonna do just unconnect the battery, just take the connection off, and then just take off LCD connection and take out the screen and get ready to install a new one. So usually we use a heat gun to take it off the cracked screen, but don't forget the weird glasses to your eye, because the glass might jump to your eyes. So this is our screen, cracked screen. This is the heat gun we're gonna use. It's gonna just be like that. I don't really care it's going to get break or not more, because this one is broken anyway. So we'll take this whole broken glasses out, make sure whole frame is clear, there's no any glass left, because if not, our new screen is not going to install correctly. watch this camera, speaker, and proximity sensor right there while you work on. Alright, that's how it is. So now we're gonna clean our frame from these glasses to make the other screen installed correct. So yeah, and this screen will go from here, that hole, to all the way in the back, and it's going to be just like new, just like that. Thank you for watching, guys. Please review us positive, and don't forget to like and subscribe, please. I'll see you in next videos. Thanks.